Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how you can install a Printify app in your Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log into your Shopify store, and after logging into your Shopify store, open your Shopify admin page. Now, after going to your Shopify admin page, you have to click the apps button from the left menu bar. After clicking apps, now you have to click the recommended apps button. And now after clicking recommended apps, you have to click the Shopify App Store on the bottom. Now another page opens, that is of Shopify App Store page. Now on the search bar, you have to search for Printify application. Printify, Printify application. Install this app in your Shopify store. Now you have to log in the app, and now you have to fill the necessary details, fill them up, and here you have the Printify app on your Shopify store. So that's how you will install Printify app in Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.